Good day, all pet matters. Today we're going to give a bath to our dog. He's still a puppy. Okay. So now today is the day that he will go to his forever home because he was adopted. Okay, he was adopted by my dear friend. So I give him a bath so that he will be ready for lots of hugs. Okay, use this dog shampoo. So we avoid the eye area. We let the dog shampoo to sit for about 5 minutes so it can do its wonders. Okay. Use this chair so that he will be elevated and he will not run away, because if he is in the floor definitely he can quickly run. Okay, but when he is elevated like this chair, it won't be easy for him. Of course I will not allow him to jump. The underpads, yeah, the underpads. So I'm sharing this way of giving a bath so that other pet parents can decide if they will adopt this kind of method. Okay, because what I think is that this will be easier for the pet parent to give shower to the dog, and easier for the dog also to receive his bath. Okay, just avoid the eye area. Now ready to rinse. Okay. We avoid pouring water into his nose. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Okay? that you will be updated each time I make a video. Easier for us to give him a shower if he is elevated and seated in the plastic chair like this. It's almost done. Very fresh, huh? Refreshing. Okay. Done. And we will use these chamois to dry him quickly. And it will also easier for us to dry him using the blower. Okay. Later we will go to the grooming table to blow him dry. Yeah, lot of water. This chamois is very helpful because it absorbs more water than the ordinary towel. We will go now to the grooming table. It's done. Now we're going to give our pet dog blow dry. We're done giving shower and blow drying our dog. He will be adopted today by my dear friend. I hope you like our video for today, and I'll see you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.